on the moon, on the couch, on the toilet, on the subway, on a Ferris wheel. Dans le train, in der Wasserschlange, in a tent, auf dem Schiff, sulla rota pagnol. I don't know. I only know English, okay? Greetings, comrades. This is I'm giving Caleb back with another unboxing video, and this is going to be the last big unboxing for a while. By big, I mean not like a huge package, but like something that's well in the hundreds of dollars range, you know, because well, with the roof done, we're trying to take time to rebuild our coffers, as well as you know, use our money for other important things like bills and, you know, food, stuff like that. We're not hurting, but, you know, we're trying not to go crazy. I just want to get these purchases out of the way, just so I can be satisfied for electronics for a while. But anyway, yeah, this actually came just when I got home from work, and I'll just show it to you now. Now, you remember one of my Doom videos I mentioned that I actually gave my old Steam Deck to one of my nephews. I was going to to another nephew, which I have 3 nephews, and I was going to give one to one of my nephews, who actually gave his Steam Deck to another nephew. So I was going to give my Steam Deck to him, but then he said, why not ask this nephew here, because he's been trying to save up for a Steam Deck. I'm like, okay, I'll go and get to him, and I actually gave my old Steam Deck completely free, you know, no strings attached, no questions asked, and needless to say, he was really happy about it. He was not expecting to get such a wonderful gift, but you know, it's part of family. It's about being generous and whatnot. It's what my parents would have wanted. But yeah, since ever since I got the as the lights flickered, ever since I got the Nintendo Switch OLED, you know, I've been playing that on the TV, and as well as you know, going gaming with it more than the Steam Deck. One of the reasons I gave it away. But part of me still wanted Steam Deck. I missed the Steam Deck, so I decided to get a new one. As I get the OLED version right here, your games in a whole new light. Yes, for those who don't know, earlier this year, Valve released the OLED version of the Steam Deck, which basically has a slightly bigger screen, but of course it's OLED screen instead of LCD. And also a few extra improvements, like a improved battery life, and naturally bigger screen and better quality, whatnot. But other than that, yeah, it's been the same thing. And terabyte of storage. Yeah, whereas the original 512 gigabyte model was $649, for the same price, you're gonna get a 1 terabyte OLED model. And my other nephew I gave my Steam Deck to, he was happy with that one. But maybe he'll save up for an OLED. So yeah, this comes with a Steam Deck, of course, and of course it's in this carrying case, and also has a power adapter packaged separately, which has a cardboard shroud there. And naturally, also had to get the dock. I'm not gonna unbox this because I've already unboxed it in my original Steam Deck video a year ago. It's just the dock for the Steam Deck. Not much to say. Power adapter, same thing. Little brick you charge it up with. But anyway, let's go and wrap this bad boy. I was gonna get the knife for this, but it looks like I'm not gonna need it. I only need it to open the packaging. Yeah, your game's in a whole new light. Requires a Wi-Fi connection, internet, and a free Steam account. You already have all that. This product system memory usable is made by system micro SD cards, may be required to expand storage. But yes, I went to Best Buy yesterday and decided to get another 512 gigabyte micro SD card for this, because you can never have too much storage for your Steam Deck. Especially we're playing Cyberpunk on here, which I may or may not do. I would love to get mods to work on it, but be too much work. So this is best for like playing Brotato or Vampire Survivors or other games like Soul Stone Survivors, Nova Drift, and the newly Doom 1+2. which would be nice to have. Yeah, the package, the carrying case is pretty much the same as the original Steam Deck version, only this time the logo's red, indicating it's the OLED version. And here's a pouch where you carry the power brick. But natural, I'm going to get a different carrying case for it. I'm probably going to get the other one. Yeah, the Steam Deck I had, I also gave to my nephew. I also gave him the large carrying case I bought, which you can stock the Steam Deck, as well as a few extra things like power banks, controllers, stuff like that. Might get another one of those in the future. But yeah, just a heads up, I did order a few more things. I'm still waiting for my 8BitDo Pro 2 controller, the translucent blue one. They're supposed to ship those the end of the week, and I'll probably get mine probably next week or so, I'm not sure. They didn't have an ETA when it will come. But I am waiting for the Hyperkin Duchess controller, which I canceled my pre-order because if I kept it, I'd have to wait till September to get it. So yeah, life lesson, never pre-order things from Amazon, because you think you give them, like, you think they ship them like the minute they release, but nope, you still gotta wait another few weeks. I don't get that mindset, but yeah, I'm never pre-ordering anything from Amazon again. I'm just gonna wait for it to come out, then buy it. Anyway, enough rambling. Got the dog tag that will me. Well, because I brought my knife so I can actually cut this tag off, because that's what's keeping me from using the zipper. All right, take this off. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a strap on here too. Okay, well, that's pretty handy for a little extra security. And here it is, the Steam Deck OLED. Yeah, it's pretty much the exact same as a standard thing. It's pretty warm, but that's because it's fucking hot outside. It's like 104 degrees right now. It's been a box. So yeah. Layout's pretty much the same as the original Steam Deck. It's literally the same console, just with a better screen. And since I got the higher end model, it has this etched screen, which I don't know if it's scratch resistant, so I'll probably get some screen protectors later on. As well as a case with a kickstand. But yeah, still got. Yeah, for those that haven't seen the Steam Deck, let me just show right here. Yeah, pretty big size handheld. Yeah, it's anti-glare screen, so you can barely see my reflection in there. And my camera can barely focus. Yeah, you got the thumbsticks, got the D-pad, got the menu buttons here, face buttons, which mimic the Xbox, got the touch pads, got the Steam button, got this, I call it the tool button because we access like, you know, the brightness, the performance tabs and stuff like that. You get your speakers here in the back. We have the grip buttons, which, yeah, I never use these on the Steam Deck because, well, I don't know how to program them. Maybe I will later on, because I'm used to programming like the rear buttons for like the 8BitDo controllers, you know, the Hex gaming controllers and stuff like that. Yeah. So anyway, here's your ventilation back, as well as an extra one on the top, because, yeah, unlike the Switch, this is meant to play like bigger like PC games and stuff. So naturally, it's gonna use a lot more power, so it needs more ventilation. You got your volume tabs here. You got your 3.5mm headphone jack. Got your Type-C port for charging, and a color power button, which hopefully they improve the power buttons on this, because my original Steam Deck, the power button would sometimes get stuck, so I had to like open it up, mainly so I could put on that colored backplate that I had, but also to like try to fix the power button from getting stuck. And my nephew said it works now, so that's good. So hopefully doesn't have that problem. In the bottom, a micro SD card slot, which, yeah, I'm gonna put my 512GB in there. I would have gotten a 1TB one, but those are like stupid expensive, like $149. And got your little cloth to wipe the screen. And yeah, it's nice to finally get a Steam Deck again. Which, yeah, it's nice to give my old Steam Deck to one of my nephews, but part of me misses the Steam Deck. So, I don't know if there's any charge in here. I heard a beep. Okay. That means I'll have to start setting it up. Let's see if the screen will pop up. See if we can get that at least. Yeah, it's on, so this is gonna boot up. First startup. You can't get the Steam Deck logo with red instead of blue. My camera is having a hard time focusing on this. So yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and set this up, and yeah, we'll be back in a minute. Yeah, it's installing an update right now, but yeah, just updated the firmware. You know, already looking at the screen, it's definitely not only bigger than the original Steam Deck, but a lot clearer, which is the beauty of OLED. That's why I upgraded from the regular Switch to the Switch OLED earlier this year, and now I did the same with the Steam Deck. Now I just need to figure out where I'm going to put this, because there's not much, well, there's some space on my entertainment center, but the thing is, if I put it in the middle, it's going to block the soundbar, as well as a sensor for the TV, so yeah, I'm going to have to find a solution for that. I'll probably just make some room on my desk and see if I can get an HDMI cable long enough to actually connect to the TV. And since I have the docking station, I can actually connect it to the Ethernet. Which, yeah, I said I wasn't going to unbox this. Well, at least show the unboxing, but you know, that's the thing about the official Steam, well, a lot of the Steam Deck docking stations, they'll have Ethernet ports. Which, yeah. If you're familiar with the Switch, you'll know that the original Switch dock does not have a Ethernet port. It has a USB port, and you have to buy a separate Ethernet dongle for that. Whereas with the Switch OLED, they fixed that, and now the Ethernet port's built in. But of course, you're limited to 2 USB ports instead of 3, but that's fine. I hardly use the USB ports in my Switch dock. And, yeah. Yeah. I have 2 more power bricks. One for the docking station and one for the Steam Deck itself. Figured I'd do this while it's updating. But yeah. Just for those who haven't seen it, here's the official docking station. Pretty small, but also when it's standing it up. And then all you do is just plug in this Type-C port to the port on the top. And if you have a HDMI cord plugged into the TV, it'll connect to the TV. Otherwise, you'll just charge it. And yeah, that's the Type-C port for the power brick. That, yeah, you got a display port. You also have your Ethernet port and 3 USB ports in the bottom. So really feed it in. I think the Switch dock is bigger, but it has fewer ports than this. Or 1 fewer port, because when do consoles use display ports? But anyway, I'm going to finish setting this up and have some fun with it. And figure out where to put it in my entertainment setup. But anyway, this is I'm Caleb, signing out. Y'all have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it in fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,